Taking a stroll around the block. Today is February 1st, 2021. We got hit with a snowstorm and it's still not done. Still going to snow into tomorrow, probably up to 12 inches. So it's fun walking in the snow. Not that far. At least I got my gloves on today. Purple gloves. Alright. Those who are in the tropics, look what you're missing. I don't want to walk up to the park. I really do, but I don't want to take a chance and get extremely cold like I did yesterday. Alright. Today is February 2nd and it has been snowing since yesterday. And it's going to continue to snow all day long. But it's gorgeous. Just beautiful. That's how high the snow is. Just beautiful. Snow is quiet. It's not like rain, of course, because it's lighter, but just analyzing here for a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Someone is already using their snowblower to clear their sidewalk.